We have some beautiful summer knits for you, and I just want to show them to you because they're all such well priced. $10.99 today and tomorrow. Isn't that beautiful? Just this, so this is a cotton poly. It's got a smooth texture on one side, and then it's got the back side. It's kind of a diamondy texture. It's so pretty, but it's so good, such great drape. Stretch in one direction. I mean, it's a little bit of stretch this way. I guess you'd call it always stretch, but just pretty, just pretty. And then this is probably, no, it's not my favorite, but I sure love it. There's an ITY net. It is a cotton poly, but I love this side. I love, you can see it's got the aquas, the purples, it's got everything in there, but I love the back side, just kind of as a pastel version of it all. Anyway, so I guess maybe you could use both sides. A very pretty, great drape. Has stretch in both directions. Most of these do. Most of these do. This is a royal blue. It is a 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. Isn't that pretty? Just a pretty, pretty color. And then we have something to tie them all in. You know, I love the prints and the solids when they match yoga pants or bottoms. Or we know with our new pattern we could do this on the bottom and then do a little t-shirt out of this on the top. Either way, they just work really, really well. This is a poly. This is actually a printed poly. It feels like a cotton. It really feels like cotton, but it burns like a poly. It has stretch in one direction. Isn't that pretty? Just really nice. And then we have the beautiful hot pink to go with it. And so it goes with hot pink, it goes with blue, it goes with the aqua, it goes all the way across the board. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. Again, lovely fabric. And then we have our little paisley here. And our paisley print is an ITY. It's a cotton poly blend though, ITY. It's not 100% polyester. It has stretch in both directions, more so in one. Again, I just hate to call it two-way stretch when this stretch is so good. It has stretch this way, it's just minimal. So that is just a lovely piece, and you can see it goes all the way across the board. So again, $10.99 today, tomorrow, then they go up. Beautiful summer knits. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.